Hello! Today I will be showing you how to create a preventative maintenance schedule. First, log in. Enter your username and password. Once on this page, go to the top right corner and select PM Schedule. On this page, you can see all vehicles that need maintenance according to the filters that you choose. Next to Remaining Before Service, you can choose the remaining percentage of miles and hours before service is needed. Next to Sort By, you can choose to see the vehicles in alphabetical, ascending, or descending order. If you click on the checkbox labeled Show Trucks Requiring Maintenance, you can see all vehicles or just the ones that require maintenance. To explore your editing options, click on Manage Trucks in the top right. Next, choose the vehicle you would like to view. If you click on History, you'll be able to view all previous services for the service type that you selected. If you would like to edit the service details, click on Edit, where you can change the service type, the mileage interval, and the hour interval. If you would like to delete the service, just click Delete. To add a service, click Add Service in the top right. Here, you can add a service dependent on miles and hours, or one dependent on days, such as a state inspection. To enter your vehicle's details, click Set Truck Values in the top right corner. Here, you can edit vehicle miles, hours, VIN number, and plate number. Make sure to click Update when you're done. To mark a service as completed, select the service using the checkbox to the left of the service name. After selecting the service, click on Service Completed in the top right corner. You can now insert the mileage, hours, and date that the service was done on. Make sure to click Complete to save the information. To create a preventative maintenance template, click Templates in the top right corner. Your current templates will now appear on this page. To create another, click New Template in the top right. Enter the template name, service or services you would like to add, and the mileage and hour intervals for each. To save the template, click Save and Close. To add vehicles to this template, click Save and Assign Trucks. From here, you can select every vehicle you would like to add to this template. After saving, you can view the selected vehicles by clicking the green list icon. To edit the template, just click Edit on the template of your choice. You are now ready to create your own preventative maintenance schedule. If you have further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us via phone or email.